heard Bluey. I hope he comes back. I heard him call like he's hungry. There he is. Hi, my baby. Go get your peanut, my angel. Look at how glorious he is. There's my baby. He's very hungry today. We're about to get hit with another snowstorm tonight, so I'm glad he's out getting his peanuts. I think that's why he was calling me. Help! I'm hungry and I can't find anything and the storm's coming. Go get your peanut, baby. Go get your peanut. He's just checking things out, making sure it's okay. Even though he comes every day, he's not very trusting. So fluffy. He's staying fed, I try. My Bluey. I love Bluey. His silly nature makes me giggle every day. Go get your peanut, my angel. Go on. There he goes. He got one. Yay. He'll eat it. He'll come back. He'll perch again. Check things out for a few minutes. When he decides it's safe. Oh, you're welcome, baby. You're welcome. He always says thank you. That's why I love my Bluey. He sings to me. He sounds like he says thank you. And bird. You're welcome, baby. Was it good? Where'd he go? Oh. Up there, Bluey? He swoops in fast. Y'all done, Blues? You got enough peanuts for today? I bet you he'll be back. He's like, never. I never have too many peanuts. I love peanuts. Maybe not. Bye, Bluey. Anyway, isn't he cute? He's still fluffy and fat, even with all these blizzards. I try. I haven't seen the squirrels yet today. I think they know the storm's coming and they're like, fuck this. I'm staying in. Like me. Anyway, love you, bye.